Every journey begins with new horizons, faces, and unforgettable memories. In today's episode, we dive deep into Nico's home.
Pretty much have a full head height when I go up. And so
your head doesn't hit it. Chef up some delicious food together and tackle some of the toughest questions on the road.
Ooh, hardest thing about living on the road.
If you're new here, my name is Sandro and I live full-time in my Tesla Model X, aka Beluga. Over the last 2 years, I have roamed all over North America, even venturing into some of the most remote regions Beluga can drive itself to. Today, we are in sunny Ventura, California. My morning routine is making my bed like this, put everything nicely tucked away, and that's how I get my day started. I think it is day 790 living inside my Tesla Model X. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sandro. I live full-time on the open road, and over the last 2 years I have roamed all over North America. And today we are in Southern California, enjoying the sunshine, and we're meeting my twin. We have a lot in common. It's shocking. So this is where we slept last night. Of course, near a Planet Fitness, because that's our home base pretty much when we're in the city. Let's see. Oh no, did I just, oh shit. Oh, I almost just locked myself out. Oops. Because I have this setting where all the doors stay locked except for the driver's side, and I turn my Bluetooth off. So if I lock the doors, my phone is inside, the car will lock, thinking that I have left. And then I have to call my mom to unlock the car for me via the app.
This is the worst.
Navigate to Anytime Fitness. I think that is the one. Yep, there we go. Alright, I'm not far from here. Don't you hate it when your car can drive itself? Oh, whoa, oops. Bueno. Oh, Jesus. I thought I had it all down. Okay, he's giving me right away. Thank you. It's crazy because when I try to explain to people how the car drives, it kind of blows people's minds and they don't think it's a real concept. But Beluga, full self-driving, just taking me to my friend Nico. But seriously though, it is December and it's 14 degrees outside. Sun is shining. I can't believe that, yeah, usually around this time it's miserably cold wherever I am. This is Nico.
What's up?
Yeah, so I said if there's any time, I'll probably find Nico there.
Yeah.
Right?
Because you could work out anytime.
Well, Planet Fitness too.
Kinda.
I don't have that budget.
Hey, but there's closed like shower rooms inside Anytime Fitness. Shameless plug. So if you're ever like on the road, and they have it all across the US, you know, it's a great private shower, so it's locked. So you could plug in your battery bank, you could pretty much shower in a closed room with it locked.
Yeah, so if you didn't know, he's also a YouTuber, and this is his rig. His camera rig, the DJI Action 5 Pro, with the second version of the DJI mic. It's a shotgun mic. But yeah, so I got the address for you.
Yeah.
I just sent it to your phone.
Cool.
So follow along.
All right.
Do I lead? Do you lead?
You go ahead.
Me?
Follow you. Yeah.
Beluga?
I'm hella hungry.
You know I'm not going to be driving, right? Whoa. All right. Decisive there. It's never nice when you have a little convoy and you just blow through a red light pretty much. Was it red? No. It was yellow. It was yellow. It was yellow. No. No. I hate this. I saw the sign for $8, so I'm like, nope.
Why do you have to pay for a part? Doesn't make any sense.
Where do our tax dollars go to? Oh. I don't want to get political right now. Anything you don't want on your breakfast?
No cheese.
No cheese. What the hell? I'll catch. Vale. Look at this perfection. I take extreme pride in making avocado toasts. I go the extra mile to make sure that it is pristine. There we go. Vale. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh! Bro, you're getting a great egg, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, no, area broke. Oops. Is it just me, or do the non-sticks actually stick after a certain amount of time? Like, I'm just scraping like it's not an egg anymore. Bum 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 bum.
Oh man, thank you. Oh, look at this
Whoa,
breakfast.
wait. You think both are for you? No. That is yours
Breakfast?
because it's nice, and that's mine.
Breakfast with a view.
You know, I'm just kidding, right? Yeah.
Wait, which one's?
That's yours. The nice one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hell
Cheers,
yeah.
bro.
Cheers. Oh
Don't work too hard.
man, that is good.
Yeah.
You don't miss.
Give it a grade, 1 to 10.
Well, the crunch of the toast, it's like 10 out of 10. Haven't eaten the egg yet, but for the back of your Tesla, it's a 10 out of 10.
He was very careful with this rating. The best water dispenser, I think, on the market. Not sponsored, but just ready for this. We have a new one. We upgraded yesterday. Look at that water flow. Little things like this can make me so happy. There we go. You have a bee just sticking there. Office workflow outside.
Yep.
So you've lived in this for 5 months, right?
I have lived in this for 5 months, yeah. So this is my setup. Show you my living quarters, which is basically my bed. And I built this bed frame from scratch in my friend's garage. And right here is like wood. And it took us about 3 full days to kind of like measure out everything.
Whoa.
And yeah, this one flips open if the bed frame, the 4-inch memory foam lifts up. and then you're able to have ample storage underneath. I carry my camera bag. I'm a full-time YouTuber too as well. And I also have my sweaters in here, my front windshield kind of like cover. And then I also have my water right here. I carry like water gallon jugs too as well.
Not piss jars, right?
No, definitely not.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't have to lie.
I don't have a pee jar, that's for sure.
Not yet.
I haven't been
Not
initiated
yet.
in that.
Not
I did
yet.
take a dump in the woods like last few days ago for the
That
first
was
time.
a big moment.
It's actually pretty satisfying.
What'd you do?
I took a dump in the woods.
The first one ever.
And I had a great view. Look at the bathroom view. Basically, this is super flat, but there's holes in here to prevent any mold. So we cut holes in there. So it's an entire like custom built bed frame.
Dude.
Yeah. And that is a giant block that I just put on so that way it could stay level.
Are you sure it's a block, nothing else?
It's the, no, just kidding. We have,
Dude, I love, so it's made out of wood right here, and it has those starters.
I have like fire starters in there too.
Dude, that's a kennel right there.
Yeah, that's like, I'm like a super outdoor guy, so like outdoors is my thing. Nature.
I don't think you get it.
So.
You can start a fire right there if you wanted to.
Oh yeah, you would. Hey, just flame on.
Hey, but California has no burn.
You got a lighter? Let's light them up.
Actually, I do.
I should probably show you guys how it looks like when I'm inside. So,
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so this is my bed, and this is how I chill when I sleep. Like, pretty much have a full head height when I go up. And
so your head doesn't hit it?
And then, oh yeah, this is the best part right here. So I'll be chilling right here, and then like the screen could play like Netflix and all that. So it's like super
And he
chill.
has a swivel screen, but I'm not gonna move it because I don't want to break it.
Watch this. Yeah, buddy.
Is that software? Oh no, that's firmware. That's towware.
It's towware. Yeah. Oh, I got this in Moab. This is a dream catcher.
Nice.
Yeah, Utah. Yeah, I spent about like I spent about 2 weeks in Moab. Yeah, Utah.
And I see you have a Starlink too.
Yeah, that's actually hooked up right now. We're actually uploading his YouTube video. So if you guys want Starlink, yeah, there's a mini and then there's a standard. So
Yeah, so I have the mini Starlink. Let me show you actually where that is, because it's in my Falcon door, just like that. So it's not on right now actually. So I've been just mooching off Nico's, but I use it in some really remote areas. I do pay 50 gigabytes for $50. So I don't have the unlimited plan like he does. He pays 100 and how much?
$165 for unlimited. So you could upload as many times. You could watch YouTube as long as you want, and it's not like capped out as a
So I've been
amount.
mooching off him this pretty much the whole week.
Yeah, and
And
it's worth it if you're a nomad and you make money online.
Yeah, because I used it in Alaska, the Arctic, Yukon, BC. Yeah, and lower 48. I'm curious what's gonna be like when I drive to Mexico, but I think it should be okay.
Yeah. So this thing is the coolest thing. Okay, so this has a hose, right? And so when you put these magnets here, they pretty much stay. And the coolest part about this is probably the coolest thing I have in the setup too, is you press it and water comes out.
Wow.
So you basically have a sink right here, wash your dishes, do what you need to do, wash your hands and all that. Yeah, you're self-sufficient. So yeah, so that hangs out right here.
And I'm not gonna lie, it is the best water dispenser on the market. I have had it for 2 years. Mine died actually yesterday. So I got a new one, and I feel like I am so alive again. Without a water dispenser, life is so hard. Like everything.
Yeah, imagine having to pump it manually.
Or not having running water at all.
Or at all.
When I say I have running water in my Tesla, people think I'm lying, and
We're bougie because we have electric water pumps.
life is good. My favorite thing of his setup is,
Okay, ready for it? It's called a microwave in a microwave.
Connor's gonna roast you there. But look at that.
Okay, so the way it turns on is I use my app called the EcoFlow app. So,
I thought I thought your microwave had an app.
so I have 2 power banks, right? So it's Delta 2 and River 2. What I'm gonna do is turn on the AC power. So that's pretty much gonna power my lights and also my microwave. So it's gonna turn on in a couple seconds. You'll hear like a beep. Oh, it's actually on already.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
So press the button, microwave starts.
Dude, you're gonna be wasting energy like that?
Yeah, so
Just for demo?
just for a demo. Stop! Okay. Oh, cooking nothing. Okay, so that's like a demo. A microwave, you could cook your meal prep, you could cook noodles, you could put vegetables, all kinds of like food that you don't want to cook and spend a whole 20 minutes. It's gonna cook in like 2 minutes, man.
Not gonna lie, I've been mooching off him the last few days. I cook potatoes. That's when my life peaked, when I cooked potatoes in a desert with a microwave.
Yeah, the way I power it is this EcoFlow Delta 2. It's a power bank, so it really helps out a lot when you're kind of like wanting to be self-sufficient. This plug outlet goes inside the cigarette lighter in the back of the car.
Yes.
It then charges the battery bank while you're driving or have it in camp mode.
And if there's one thing you cannot live without, what is that one thing?
It's probably going to be what we just talked about, the microwave.
The microwave? Dang.
Yeah, because like I'm like an avid bodybuilder, so I work out a lot and I meal prep a lot. And if you know what meal prep is, it's basically like food that you just want to heat up. So it's like ground beef, chicken, rice, broccoli. And I'm super like quick with it. Like I don't really like cooking as much. And like I just put my rice and chicken inside the microwave, 2 minutes, pull it out, you're ready to go. Yeah, so microwave in my opinion is like the thing I can't live without.
Sick. And you have a pet.
Yeah, he's kind of living rent free. I told him to like pay the rent, but he doesn't want to.
Yeah. Well, time to make him some coffee, right? And then are we?
Yep.
But
Coffee time.
Let me ask you, like the last 5 months on the road, you've been.
Yeah.
What has been probably the hardest thing for you?
Ooh, hardest thing about living on the road. For me, at least, it's probably been like the solitude of like being in the car and traveling like alone, solo. I always wanted to like caravan with like other nomads. So doing this, kind of like car camping near each other, has been very good for me because I think I'm an extrovert more than I am an introvert, and I feel like car living, in a sense, like it's very isolating.
You know, I think that's a very normal thing when you live on the road. My first, I think, half year, I felt very isolated too.
Yeah.
But there was this internal drive to keep moving forward, keep exploring. And that's why I think I went to the West Coast to kind of, I think the vibe here is more community-based.
Oh, yeah.
And most of the people I meet on the road, it just is very spontaneous. Like obviously us is a little bit orchestrated.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To friendship.
Yeah. Pour some cold water in there.
Yeah, don't. You will burn your mouth.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys.